Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Traders Destination. This is an English remake of one of the review videos that I have already made, and the name of the strategy is King Kong Magic Candle Strategy. So guys, King Kong Magic Candle Strategy is such a strategy using which you will be getting at least 15 such stock picks in a month, which will be able to provide you a risk to reward ratio of more than 1:5. Friends, you have to follow this strategy along with the rule of 5 of Traders Destination, and only then you will be able to maximize your profit using this strategy. Before you watch this video further, please have a look at the disclaimer that is provided over here. Neither of the core team members of Traders Destination are SEBI registered financial advisors. Whatever we provide you, whatever we share with you, are basis our own observations and learnings only. Whatever books and study materials we have gone through to gather this learning is also shared with you for free in our Traders Destination Forum Telegram group as well. So friends, if you are interested to join our forum, which is called the Traders Destination Forum in Telegram, please type in Traders Destination Forum, or please click on the link provided at the bottom of this video, at the description of this video, to be a part of the same. This is just a review video. This is not the strategy video of this strategy, which is called King Kong Stock Pick Strategy. To get the benefit of this strategy, which is called King Kong Stock Pick, you need to be a part of FIRE's through Traders Destination. As you all know that Traders Destination is now the official channel partner of FIRE Securities, and this is like a joining gift we provide to our members, whoever joins our team. The strategy runs like this, that at the end of the day or at the beginning of the next day before the market starts, we will be providing you name of 3 picks, name of 3 stocks of the day with a magic candle value that you have to see. So that's the strategy, that's the execution strategy that we are going to teach you after you become a member of FIRE through Traders Destination. It's completely free. I have been getting a lot of requests from people who are ready to pay a lot of money to train them and to teach them the total strategy. But friends, we are not going to teach you the complete strategy in this because of there are various reasons. But what we are going to do now is we are going to teach you the execution strategy. There is execution strategy of this which will require some training from your end also. You have to you have to set your eyes in such a manner so that you can do it nicely. 1:30 is something which we got on Sun Pharma on 17th of January 2019. So this was a stock where at the candle of 11:15 a.m. this was the candle, the 11:15 a.m. candle that you are seeing over here was the candle where people took a short sell over here, and after taking a short sell, the price came down till here. What you can see over here is we have got a risk to reward of 1:30, which means the risk that was taken of just 1 rupees and the reward that we got was of 30 rupees in this single stock pick in one single direction. Friends, as I said that we provide 3 picks to you in a day. This is how probably we ask and we train our followers in FIRES to set their chart. This is the platform of FIRES Web where we have provided some picks like this. That was the day of 17th, when on 17th out of the 3 picks that we have given, Sun Pharma had given a profit of 1:30. There was the Infratel stock which gave I think a small profit, and there was another stock of Hindustan Unilever which has also given a profit of 1:17. That was the day where we had got at least 2 King Kong picks on that given day. You can trail the stop loss. The beauty of this strategy is it's suitable for people who have less time as well as for people who have enough time to sit in front of the system and watch the chart. If you are watching the chart and if you're in front of the system, then you have to watch the system after every 10 minutes, and as you will be watching it after every 10 minutes, you can trail the stop loss. If you are trailing stop loss, you can trail it using various methods. There are various methods which we use. Whichever is suitable for you, you can use that depending on your style of trading. And if you don't have time, we recommend that you book out the profit at 1:2, which is also a very good return if you're seeing from the standpoint, if you're seeing from a performance standpoint of it. So this is the performance of King Kong stock pick strategy, where in the month of December we had got 23 stocks, 23 picks as such, 23 trades, which has given you a profit of more than 1:5 risk to reward ratio. In the month of Jan, this snapshot is till 17th of Jan. After 17th, on 18th of Jan as well, we got one more pick, which was Reliance, which has given 1:16 as a risk to reward ratio for the person who had trailed it. We are going to teach you various methods of trailing stop loss also. Whichever method is suitable for you, you can follow that. Okay, and you have to achieve this with only consistency and the rule of 5. Rule of 5 is something which I have made a couple of videos back, which I have published in YouTube channel. You can actually have a look at the rule of 5. If you are following rule of 5, if you are following this strategy, you will be ending being profitable and sustainable at the end of the day. So this is what the rule of 5 says. Basically 5 days of trading a week, which means consistency. 5 or less scripts to trade every day, which is called fund diversification and not to take lot of risk. 5 times or less leverages in every trade, which is about risk management. Less than 5% of risk on the total capital every day, and always book 50% of your trade at target 1. So if you're booking 50% at target 1, for the remaining you can use various methods. As I said, that you can use Heikin Ashi candle, you can use parabolic SAR. So this is how you will be using parabolic SAR. It's one of the indicators which will be giving you a trend in which you will be, the trend in which you will be. You can use Heikin Ashi candle as well. This is the way you can actually play with Heikin Ashi candle, where at the end of every candle you can keep modifying your stop loss and trailing. And also I have mentioned one more technique, which is a single candle bar SL, which means at the end of every bar you are going to, or at the end of every candle you are going to put your stop loss and trail. Whichever strategy suits you, you can actually trail using that strategy. That's all friends, this is just an English remake because there are many comments I'm getting in the Hindi version of this video that people want to know this, whatever I have spoken in English, and hence this. We run this forum, this is the benefit, this is the bouquet of benefits that you will be getting if you become a part of Traders Destination family through FIRES. Being part of FIRES through Traders Destination, you will be getting this King Kong execution strategy, and also you will be getting one in-depth strategy on Nifty, which will be able to maximize your profit by around 100 to 200 points more than what awesome Nifty strategy gives on a month-on-month basis. Definitely there is going to be some other perks like monthly virtual meetups we do, and definitely there is some hand-holding that you will be getting to be part of this FIRES group, because there are many new learners, new beginners. For them it becomes a little complicated. They might not be able to identify the right candle at the right time, and hence they might miss the trade. In such aspects, we will try to guide those people on a real-time basis. Please note friends, even if you are being a part of FIRES, even if you are being a part of Traders Destination, we are not going to share any sort of levels or any sort of tips with you. We don't provide any sort of tips. We don't share any kind of levels. This is one of the training program which we have. It's one of the very popular training program that we have, in which we have around 300 people on the queue, and to enhance the service, to provide a better service to you all, to all the learners, which we wish to conduct once a month. Going forward, we will be conducting twice a month. Once a fortnight, this training will be happen. This is preferable for people who are beginners, and as a part of the training program, we do provide 2 free strategies for which the accuracy is quite good, which are high profitable, high probable strategy, using which you can make some good observations and good money. That's all friends, that's for this video, nothing more. Wish you all a happy weekend, wish you all very happy learning and happy trading. Thank you.